3, 2, 1, power up!
Hey baby, it's First Robotics. 4265, Secret City Wildbots. Putting an imaginary cube on the scale. 4614 Mars misses. He's going down the field, he's stumbling and he's bumbling, he's looking for another power cube to go put on the center of the scale in the match. It looks like both teams got their switch. (2614) Mars, first one to score. Getting the scale to tip their way. 5811 for the Red Alliance. Bonds, looks like they're gonna be working the exchange. Get those power cubes into that vault. Get those power-ups. 3 power-ups are available. One for Levitate, the free climb. Another one for a force, where you force ownership when you don't have it of the scale or the switch. And another one, boost, where you double the scoring rate that you have, so you're ahead. You can get really ahead. That sound you just heard is the fact that a boost is being used by the Red Alliance, but it's only going to work on the scale, and you can see that in the upper left of your screen. Only going to work on the scale because apparently the computer does not think that the Red Alliance owns their switch, although my eyes may deceive me. But I would say if I was an FTA, I'd kind of wonder about that pressure sensor there. Eh? It's about a 100-point difference in favor of the Red Alliance. Now we just have a force applied. Now the blue is gaining the points. You can see that, and they are really catching up quickly. They're getting ownership of both the scale and the switch, and they are now only 25 points behind. And that is just one robot climbing with 30 seconds left. That's what can happen. Now something's going on with 5740 and 3538. They have to be very careful. Once you hear that, you have to stay out of the robot's location. Mars looks like they're going to reach up and try to get a climb. There is Levitate for both teams available, and teams can get an extra ranking point if they can just get another climb, or they can just spin around on the floor and have a good time tonight. Yes, it's 3 o'clock in the morning with 1 second left. Here come the results of that match up on the screen right now. A little bit of a scoring adjustment. It was won by the, Red Alliance. It was won by a score of 444 to 394. There were some serious penalties. If you look, well, you can first look on the left side of the screen. You can see that the ownership helped them to win that. And you can see that the two teams up on the top there, 5740, 5811, both moved up in their rankings with that win. And you see on the left side of the screen, it says 3 ranking points. That's 2 for the win and 1 for in the autonomous, both moving forward and crossing a line and then getting it on the switch.